Hello there, in this video I'll show you how to download and install the IMDb application to your Android TV even you don't have Google Play Store installed. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, what you have to do is to go over to your browser or your search engine. I use the Google browser because it works for me. If you try any browser, as long as your TV is an Android TV, this should work. So on your search engine, go over here and type in the name of application, which is IMDb. So here's the application name, IMDb app. So on sensation, you're going to get results like this. And what you have to do, just click on this here, and you're going to get an option like this to install the application. So what you have to do, just go over here and click install. And if the application is compatible with your Android TV version or your Android TV version, or like the Android version, it should work on your Android TV once the application is done installing. So you wouldn't know until you try it. Please, if you work, let me know in the comment section. So just go over here, install the application, and that's how to do it. Now, if the first option doesn't work, you always try the second option, which is installing from third-party sites. Even though I do not 100% recommend these sites, but they can always work sometimes. But for me, the first option is the best. Just install it from there, and you're good to go.